The gray parrot is renowned as one of the most intelligent birds on Earth, and a master mimic. With their soft gray plumage, pale face, and striking red tail, they are impossible to mistake in the forest. They're famous for their vocal skills. Many can learn hundreds of words, phrases, and sounds. In the wild, grays travel in large, noisy flocks, roosting together in tall trees or palms over water. They live across Central Africa, from lowland rainforests to forest edges, even cultivated land up to 2,200 meters. Their diet is just as varied. Fruits, seeds, and flowers make up their favorites. Iconic, intelligent, and deeply social, the gray parrot is a true voice of the wild. Learn more in the World Parrot Trust Parrot Encyclopedia, parrots.org/encyclopedia.